Hello there, I'm Bahauddin. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw the iOS photos icon in Adobe Illustrator. So I've created a rectangle tool, just single left, click anywhere on the artboard and it will bring up the dialog box and we can specify the dimensions of our rectangle. So let's make it 170 pixels with 260 pixels height. This select if you're using, we can just quickly round. Select circles. Okay, now I'm just going to swap the fill in the stock now, so we have no outline and we just have a solid fill. So what I'm going to do next is and just hold down Alt and Shift and drag this straight down and create a copy. Select both of those shapes, Ctrl C, paste the font, Ctrl F, holding Shift and rotate. Select all shapes and create a copy. Ctrl C, paste the font, Ctrl F, holding Shift and rotate. And pick a color. So let's change the blending mode normal to multiply, and there we go, the iOS photos icon.